If I told you a small Baltic nation is actually one of the most advanced and secretly a digital superpower on Earth, most people have never heard of that, is one of the safest countries in Europe, where the world's most stunning women outnumber men so significantly that it ranks #1 in Europe. Watch the full video, why this small country is secretly one of the most fascinating countries in Europe. Welcome to Estonia. Estonia sits in northern Europe on the eastern shore of the Baltic Sea. It's one of the 3 Baltic states alongside Latvia and Lithuania. The country covers approximately 45,228 square kilometers, about the size of Denmark or the state of Virginia in the US. Nearly half of Estonia's land is covered in dense forests, around 50% of the entire country. These forests are strictly protected. Besides its mainland, Estonia also has over 1,500 islands scattered along its coastline. However, because of its cold northern location, most of these islands are uninhabited, where almost every island is settled and marketed for tourism. As of 2025, Estonia's population is approximately 1.36 million people, making it one of the least populated countries in Europe. The capital city is Tallinn, and interestingly, about 1/3 of the entire population, around 450,000 people, live there. The population is predominantly Estonian by ethnicity, about 69%, with significant Russian, Ukrainian, and Belarusian communities. English is widely spoken besides Estonian, especially among younger generations. Russian is also common, particularly among older Estonians and in the northeastern part of the country. The Estonian language itself is closely related to Finnish, so much so that Finns and Estonians can understand each other quite easily. Religion is an interesting topic here. Around 80% of Estonians don't actively follow any faith. Estonia is considered the most atheist country in the world by percentage. Only about 16% of Estonians say they believe in God. There's even a joke that goes, "You might go to Estonia as a believer, but you'll leave as a non-believer." Those who are Christian often follow Western denominations, while the Russian minority tends to practice Orthodox Christianity. If we take a look at everyday life in Estonia, one of the first things to mention is the minimum wage, which is currently around 886 euros per month. Compared to most Western European countries, that's on the lower side. But here's the thing. What really matters isn't just how much you earn, but what you can actually buy with that money. In Estonia, average salaries generally range from 1,600 euros up to 10,000 euros. But of course, those earning 8,000 to 10,000 euros are usually top-level executives. So your salary really depends on what kind of job you do. For example, manual laborers in Estonia typically earn about 1,100 euros a month, while software developers and IT engineers make between 3,000 and 7,000 euros plus. Teachers, on the other hand, earn somewhere around 1,500 to 2,000 euros. People usually work 40 hours a week, spread over 5 8-hour days. And for those over 18 who are unemployed, the Estonian government provides about 300 euros per month as unemployment support. In my opinion, if you have skills in computers or software development, Estonia should be at the top of your list of countries to work in. Estonia is one of the most tech-savvy countries in the world, especially when it comes to software and IT. If you're planning to move to Estonia by yourself, renting a studio or a one-bedroom apartment in the capital, Tallinn, will cost you anywhere between 400 and 600 euros per month. But if you're thinking of moving there with your family, be prepared to spend at least 800 euros for a bigger place. Estonia's population is quite small, so families tend to be small as well. Developers don't often build large apartments, which is why larger apartments in city centers are rare and can go up to 1,500 euros in rent. Houses in Estonia are categorized into A, B, and C classes, with A-class homes being the most comfortable. For instance, even in freezing cold weather, an A-class home will have excellent insulation, saving you a lot on energy bills. But naturally, the more luxurious the apartment, the higher the rent. For a single person, monthly grocery expenses, including meat, vegetables, and other essentials, usually amount to around 250 to 300 euros. On top of that, utilities like electricity, internet, and gas will add an extra 100 euros to your monthly bills. Estonians generally enjoy their wine, and you'll find that nearly every home has at least one bottle. A standard 750 milliliter bottle of wine in a supermarket costs around 10 to 15 euros. If you plan to go out for an evening, including food and drinks, expect to spend around 25 to 30 euros. In their free time, people in Estonia often hit the gym or enjoy winter sports. For men, getting a haircut can be a bit of a problem though. Barbers typically charge between 25 and 40 euros for a basic haircut, and that doesn't even include a beard trim. Honestly, buying a hair clipper and cutting your own hair might be a smarter choice here. When you walk through Estonian streets after 8 p.m., you'll notice how quiet and empty they get. But don't let that give you the wrong impression about safety. Estonia is actually one of the safest countries in Europe when it comes to serious crimes like harassment, assault, incest, or fraud. And if you're into nightlife, don't worry. The country has plenty of bars and clubs to keep you entertained after dark. Travel within Estonia is also incredibly convenient. Much like in Scandinavian countries, you can get from one city to another in under an hour. The absence of traffic problems is another bonus, thanks to the well-established tram networks in city centers. These trams let you hop around cities without dealing with buses. Speaking of buses, public transport in the capital, Tallinn, is completely free for registered residents. And this easy transportation system doesn't just benefit Estonians, it's a huge plus for their Finnish neighbors too. Since Finland is right above Estonia, many Finns take a quick ferry ride over to stock up on basic goods, as life in Finland is significantly more expensive. Of course, there are always people who try to work under the table, but employers in Estonia rarely take that risk. The fine for hiring an undocumented worker is about 1,500 euros per person. On top of that, the worker can face hefty fines and even be banned from entering Estonia for up to 10 years. If you want to work legally in Estonia, you need to apply for a Type D work visa through the Estonian embassy or its local consulates. The process is largely digital thanks to Estonia's e-governance system, making it much smoother than in many other countries. If you want to open a company or get a residency permit in Estonia, you can apply online without paying hefty fees to consultancy firms. Since the year 2000, Estonia has gone completely paperless for government procedures. All legal processes are handled electronically. Even in schools, kids as young as 7 are given computer and coding lessons. You can do literally everything online. File taxes in 5 minutes, start a business in 5 to 20 minutes, get married, divorced digitally, even vote from your phone. For instance, if you're an Estonian citizen living abroad, you don't need to fly back home just to vote. As long as you have internet access, you can participate in national decisions in a matter of seconds. Estonia has moved almost every aspect of life into the digital space, making everyday tasks incredibly simple and efficient. If you're someone who spends most of your day online, Estonia's internet infrastructure will blow your mind. Internet freedom here is absolute, and with an average speed of 41 megabits per second, Estonia has one of the fastest internet networks in the world. You can access free Wi-Fi almost anywhere in Estonia, in parks, on buses, even in the middle of forests. In fact, their constitution literally states that internet access is a basic human right. No matter who comes to power, this service is guaranteed for everyone. Now let's talk about something that might surprise you. Estonia ranks #1 in Europe in terms of women per man, even surpassing Lithuania. There are significantly more women than men in Estonia, and women tend to live about 10 years longer. This demographic reality has shaped Estonian society in fascinating ways. On top of that, some of the world's most stunning supermodels come from Estonia. Their genetic line has remained mostly untouched, and thanks to historical ties with Finland and Scandinavia, the pure beauty of Northern Europe is deeply embedded in Estonian women. Most Estonian women are tall, blonde, and have strikingly colorful eyes, often blue, gray, or green, and they certainly know how to make the most of these features. Instead of spending years on stressful jobs or long academic careers, many Estonian girls pursue modeling as soon as they reach adulthood. This way, they manage to achieve their dreams within just a few years, leading lives that are far less stressful and much happier compared to men. But here's something important to know. Estonians are quite reserved and cautious when it comes to strangers. For instance, in the US, strangers might smile and greet you on the street. In Northern Europe, though, people are more guarded. If you're visiting Estonia with dark hair, dark eyes, and darker features, you might experience a colder reception at first. There can be a prevailing mindset that people from the Middle East, Africa, and parts of Asia are not as easily trusted. So if you're thinking of settling down in Estonia, you'll need to invest quite a bit of time to build social connections. But once you're in, Estonians are loyal, honest, and deeply caring friends. Remember this information before entering a relationship. Estonia has one of the highest divorce rates relative to marriages, ranking 12th globally. Estonian women are known for their independence, education, and quiet confidence. They value sincerity, stability, and genuine connections. They're not looking for someone to save them. They're looking for a partner who respects them as an equal. Many are well-traveled, multilingual, and have successful careers in tech, business, or the arts. Estonia is one of the most peaceful and fascinating countries in the world, a hidden gem definitely worth visiting and perhaps even calling home, and where a small nation is quietly showing the world what the future could look like. Whether you're drawn to the digital lifestyle, the stunning women, the safety, the untouched nature, or the chance to be part of a country that's building tomorrow today, Estonia has something special waiting for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Discover Nation. Your thoughts and suggestions help shape what's coming next. Thanks for watching.